Thank you so much for watching on Jamaican World Travel. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching another country lifestyle guys. I dress like this because I'm a bushman. Yes, it's my country lifestyle guys. Right in the spot where I burn out guys. You know, in that video before you see where it was burning guys, you know. So this is a good result guys. You know, I'm really happy, you know, here in my country lifestyle. So I cover my head up guys because so many mosquitoes and things are here in my land guys. So you can see when I go back this way guys, my house is all the way up there. So you see how far I reach now guys, you know. So I reach a very good distance, you know, here in my country lifestyle. Don't forget to always subscribe and share this video around guys. Tell another friend to tell another friend here at my country lifestyle guys. Thank you so much and let us get into this video. Yes, so these are the spot guys where it's burned out. Yes, here at my country lifestyle. So what I need to do now is try and see if I can put these up together and see if I can have a burnout out guys. I believe this can definitely burn. All I need to do is just try and get up all this. You can see this is where it stopped burning, the end of it guys, but yeah, but it still could go up. All you need to do is just press it down. Yes, so press it down. So once you press it down, then you can get a good burnout out guys, you know. One thing you need to do is take this one and pile it on top of this one. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Well, the thing with Hurricane Elisa, everything went well, guys, you know. Everything went very well. There's quite a big log, quite a lot of log here guys. So the tree log could use to do something to burn coal. I'd love to show that in the video guys, you know. Hopefully you can see that in the next video. Yeah. So I'd like to burn this bush again guys. I really would love to burn it again, why not? I'd really enjoy burning it again. I'm just looking to see how to start the fire here guys, you know. I'm trying to kind of fix it in a way so when it burns guys, it can have a very good burnout, you know. Look at this guys, you see. Oh, that's a big piece. That is quite big guys. I really want to light a fire guys. I really want to light a fire. I just need to put my gloves on. My hands is not the best. Look, quite a lot of tree log guys. There's one lot right here, you know. And there's some of the bush I chopped out, so I want to even burn this one as well. But I'm not in a rush to burn this. I think this will need to dry a bit more. Then I will take this and put it on top of there. And over here guys. I'm just looking for my gloves guys. Because I've been working. Oh, take no notice of that dog guys. Okay, my gloves is up there. I was looking for it. Yeah, here's the gloves guys. Here it yes sir. Yeah. Yes. Yes, so anyway, I'm gonna leave the machete down here. And I definitely have to burn something. Yeah. Yeah, I go. In a real life. Hey. Hey. She coming. Yeah, she coming. Yes, anyway, yes, those are the tenants that live in here. I mean, they're going out, you know, so it's not for me, guys. Yes, so what I need to do, guys, I need to get this fire going, because I really think I should continue burning down here. I mean, I'm gonna need to burn also out here so as well, guys. So all these places out here is going to need burning. So, and the next door neighbor lend me this long shovel, guys, you know, and that is for like when I burn the fire, I can scoop up. I was thinking to leave it till tomorrow and start another burning, but I don't think I'm going to do that, guys, you know. I think I want to start something now, to be honest. I think the earlier you start this, the better. So yeah, so what I'm doing now, guys, is pressing them down so it's easy to blaze with the fire. So that is why you see I'm doing all this now. Yeah. Yes, so let's try and get this burning, guys. I got the paraffin and I got the matches here. But what I need to do when I start the burn, I will just pull some of these and put it up here, guys, and just try and set it off. And then over here as well, I'm going to try and set one off from here as well. You see over there, I'm starting to build up something over there. So if I could try and set that to come this side, but it's not going to be easy, guys. I'm telling you, it's not going to be easy. But over here is nice to kind of try burn. And right through here as well, guys, look how high these bushes. So if we can get a good burn. Oh, there's a lot more sticks down here as well, guys. A lot of tree logs. So that means a lot of cutting they go on this land. A lot of cutting, guys, happens on this land. Anyway, let's get this quick because it looks up in the sky like the rain could come again. We had the rain earlier, so let's try and get some more, you know, these sticks together. Let us start, guys. Let's start burn this. Wow, look at that, guys. Yeah, finally managed to get one light in. And once we have the wind, guys, you know, they'll have everything to burn quick. This is really good. That's it. Yes, looking good, guys. That one is finally burning. Yep, that is going to burn out, guys, yes. Okay, all thing I need to do now is get some dry stick to put on it, guys. Once I put a few dry stick, then this will keep it going. Here we go. Good to get some logs and put on it, put some weight on them. Very good, guys. It works. Well, I need to get this side going again, guys. Managed to burn out here, guys. You look at this bit of burn out really nicely. You see some bits here burning, guys. This is going to be difficult to burn because it's green, but I will get the burn out. That spot I'll get the burn out eventually. It's not going to be easy. And here, guys, this is what left back after I burn on here. I'll do the stump in lit again. What I need to do then, guys, see that tree up there, it needs cutting down. Or if I could try and put the tree stump. If I should try and lift this and put this up in the tree, guys, then it will cause a lot of problems. So that's what I might try and do. It might sound a bit crazy. I want to try and get it burned. See if we can burn that tree limb off and take everything down to the next level. We'll have to be careful, guys, because this one is still trying to blaze, guys. That one over there is trying as well. This one is doing the thing. Okay, let that one burn on. Okay, let it burn. I'm just trying to be careful of the little flakes, guys. You know, the fire flakes, them are not nice when the catcher is really hot, you know. So, gotta be careful, guys. Right guys, managed to burn that one out. There we go. Wow. Just have to now be careful of the sparks, guys, the fire spark, and the wind is blowing as well, guys. That the wind is blowing out, this is going to help a lot to get that place burned out now. So thank God for that. This is really, really good. Okay. You can see the fire even burning up the top as well, guys. That is what we want. Right, let's put my gloves on. Let's see if I can throw these sticks on there. I thought it's burning now, guys. Now is the time. One of the things you need to do, guys, is just keep burning. This one is really long, guys. That's the best thing to do, guys. Whatever you catch, just throw it down there. The better you do it, is the better. The more you do it, it's the better it is. Guys, the better it is for the bush. Yeah. Right. It's not too bad, guys. This one over here is a burning. Well, this one, we managed to get a lot out of this one, guys. Got a shovel here as well. Use a shovel to throw some of those fire burning stick over there, guys. Let's see if I can continue with there. See what I can do. So yes, guys, I've already caught that one up. Alright, so I need to continue now, guys. Just a quick update. I have to be careful these flakes don't catch me, because these flakes are still fire in it, guys, so I have to be very careful with it. So anyway, while it's doing that, guys, let me get to work. I must get to work right now. Look at that, guys, you see? So that is not going to go out, and I use a piece from here, guys, and put it in here. So anyway, let me see if I can pull something out from off here. I try not to make the air too clear. Right, I must be careful of these flakes, guys. This is the thing, it's so good this fire burning, but I just have to be careful with these pieces, guys. These burning flakes are very dangerous, guys. Very, very dangerous, guys. Okay. Anything I catch now, guys, is to throw it in there now. But I have to be very careful of these flakes, guys. I really can't even pass back there right now because the more stick we can get to burn, guys, is the better it is. It is the better. We can use the chips to keep throwing on the bush. Yes, the more we can throw sticks on there, the more flakes, guys. The more flakes for us, the more fire for us to burn. It's looking good. Thank you so much. This is where I'm going to finish my country lifestyle, guys. Hopefully in the next video, watch and see how far did we reach in this bush burning. I would like you guys to watch that in the next video. Don't forget to, guys, always like and subscribe, guys, and also if you'd like to donate towards the channel, guys, to help me get this land, this 3 acre, guys, the land is 3 acre, to get this flat in my country lifestyle. Please, guys, the PayPal link is down in the description, or reach out to me on WhatsApp, or you can reach out to me on Instagram, which is Jamaican World Travel, as it appears on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing out from a country lifestyle in St. Thomas, yes, in Yalas, here in Jamaica. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy everybody, guys, you know, it's really, really a good price, you know, so come here to Barry Cash, guys. In Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color here. Look at that. You know? Oh, I think it's a rock. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at this video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.